Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. We are very pleased to be able to welcome those of you that have been with us for a long time now, as well as those who are new to the channel.
I made that video in less than 2 minutes. Watch this quick tutorial and follow each step till the end. First, we will need a great sounding AI voiceover, so we will use ElevenLabs.io. Everything in this tutorial will be for free, so we'll choose the free plan, then visit the online platform and choose the speech synthesis option. Pick a voice that you like, paste your script and click generate. You have credits for each free trial account. When you're satisfied with the results, then download the MP3 file. Step 2. To create the video with an avatar, we'll go to d-id.com. Here you can log in with your Google account, then choose the free trial, create a video and choose a preset avatar, or upload your own photo. On the right you can use the voiceover generation tool or upload your own recorded script. In this case we'll upload our script from ElevenLabs because we prefer the flow of their voiceovers. Once you have the picture and script uploaded, click generate video and that's it. You now have a video ready to share. In the next video, I'll show you how to create an AI voice based on your own voice. So whenever you want to do a voiceover, you can just text a voice and generate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming tutorials.